What is up, guys? Technicals here. It's been a while since we've done a salad update because I was kind of overloading everybody there with salad stuff for a while. So I took a beat, paused, but wanted to update everyone on what my salad rigs are doing because people still comment, oh, my salads, the earnings fell off completely. And then those kind of comments go away and then they come back. And so I've been experiencing much the same. When I notice my earnings go down, everyone else seems to comment. So the notion that media people are getting better container loads or anything like that is just not accurate in any way, shape, or form. So I'm going to take a look at my earnings, show them off to everybody, show what I've got deployed, what my plans are moving forward. And if you're interested in getting involved in Salad, I'm putting my link in the description now because Salad's proven itself at this point. I'm not concerned about them being, sort of uncouth or sort of unsavory or, shady figures or anything like that. So my link's in the description below. If you want to get started on Salad, use my link. I get $1 if you mine on Salad. I get $1 if you mine for like a period of time. So consider doing that if you're not already involved in Salad. Also subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Otherwise, I'm the Technicals. Let's get into it. All right, and once again, if you're not already, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I don't just do salad videos. I do crypto mining as well. And honestly, maybe I should change the name of the Technicals AI for passive income or something with a broader reach because crypto mining's not great. That's why everyone's into salad right now. But salad's looking good long term. It looks like it's like the nice hash. I consider it to be like the nice hash of AI distributed compute because it's real easy to get started. You look at Vast AI and TensorDoc and all these other platforms, you got to install Linux and run these commands, and you got to it's very technical, might I say. That's why I like Salad because it is not. It's just kind of a set it up and go, and you can do it on your regular gaming computer if you want. Of course, you're going to get better earnings if you have a dedicated Salad rig that stays connected all the time, but you can. So that's why I kind of like considering it to be the nice hash of crypto mining. And bear with me, new camera, so I'm an idiot. I don't know how to operate it. Otherwise, take a look here. I've got 11 machines listed. I do not have 11 machines. I have 8, I believe. But once you connect one, it kind of stays in the dashboard. I do believe that Salad is working on sort of fine tuning and upgrading this sort of dashboard experience so people with multiple machines can kind of monitor as they go. But taking a look here at the 30-day, you can kind of see my tried and true machines that have been on since the beginning. Those have done more consistently well, and I think it's telling because these are my high core, high RAM machines. This green boy right here, the one that kind of is always winning, 7900X, 64 gigs of DDR5 with a 4070. So that's by far my best machine that I have on Salad. Now I do have a 7950X3D that I deployed later, and I believe I can't tell unless I turn everything off and turn it back on and manually identify which machine is which. I have no way to tell, and I'm not turning my rigs off to do that. I'm waiting for them to sort of update because right now you can't get the machine ID on the machine. It's not in the settings where they say it is, and that fix is coming. But I'm going to kind of track that over time as to what really makes the difference. But right now it seems to be just the better machine. The higher system RAM really seems to make the difference. Also, VRAM is equally as important. But as you can see, lots of bips and bobs and ups and downs. And you can see here around the 28th is when I started, putting those other machines online. If we go to the 7-day, again, it's, that tried and true machines. And if we go to 24 hours, you can kind of get you can kind of see it better as to where, you had bigger kind of containers coming in. So, these drop-offs here is when nothing was going on. And here, this is just, that bump is from one machine getting a good container. And as of recent, as of right now, starting around 1 a.m., booking it at about 20 cents per hour over all 8 machines. So, that translates into just under $10 per day. I was kissing over $10 per day there for a while. I do have one 4070, I believe, that is not deployed. I don't know. I'm looking around for it. Like I know where it is. I have no idea. I think they're all deployed, but I do want to mix and match a little bit because I'd like to get my good CPUs off of Salad and back into mine in ZEPH or just Random X or something like that and put some lesser CPUs in there. Now I had those Xeon machines and they just don't have high enough of a core count, I really think, to make a difference. But as you know, if you saw my video, I sniped a A4000 out of one of those machines, which ended up paying for all of them. So they are kind of free. But still, I think I'd like to kind of piece together, cobble something together that's just a little bit on the higher end to achieve some of those better earnings. But ultimately, the proof's in the pudding. For any salad haters or doubters out there, I was waiting for it. Someone did call me a salad shill because my Crypto Hospital episode 3 was very sort of complimentary in my own way of salad. And it is what it is. The proof's in the pudding. I know some other creators have bigger numbers, but they're running like 3090s, 4090s. I don't have any of that. I got the middle range stuff, 4070s. So not bad. It's pulling in money. It's paying for itself, and it's doing way better than crypto mining. Now, again, like I say a million times, you're not going to go 10,000x on salad earnings unless you transfer the money to an exchange and buy whatever coin that you want. But that could be said for anything. If you want to play that game, then I could tell you that, oh, well, why didn't you buy Nvidia 3 years ago? Huh? Why didn't you? Yeah, I mean, you could play that game all day. Anyway, salad doing great for the time being. And with all the people coming into salad, the earnings have stayed pretty consistent. I know a lot of people are saying that they're not having great returns on salad, but is it beating crypto mining? Is it? Go ahead. I'm waiting. Is it better than crypto mining? Yeah, that's what I thought. So anyway, love to know what your experience is ongoing, how your containers have been. Have they been up and down? Have you been monitoring them? Or have you given up, thrown in the towel, gone in back into mining cryptocurrency? I don't know why you would do that. But maybe you're, a gambler and you want to mine some of these tokens and coins on the hopes that they go up in the bull run, whenever that is, if that is. Or are you into salad and are you thirsty for more? Do you want to see more development in salad? Do you want to see more platforms like this? Let me know in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I'm TheTechnicals. See you next time.